H3N2 व्हायरसाच्यो केशी हाताळपा खातीर बसका चालू आसात. केंद्रान घालून दिल्ल्या मार्गदर्शक सुचोवण्या प्रमाण आमी फुडें वतात अशें भलायकी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणेन सांगलें. H3N2 व्हायरसाच्यो केशी हाताळपा खातीर मुळावी तशेंच सामाजीक भलायकी केंद्रां सुसज्ज आसपूय गरजेचें आशिल्ल्याचें विश्वजीत सांगता.
H3N2 न्यू वेरियंट जे आयल्या गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडियान ऑलरेडी डायरेक्शन दिल्लें आसा न्ही ते आयल्या म्हणून आमचे प्रिपेर्डनेस कितें आहा त्यो सगळ्या गोष्टी खातीर ऑलरेडी चालू आहा इंटरनली मीटिंग. न्यू वेरियंट दॅट इज कम वी आर टेकिंग अ डिटेल मीटिंग. आय सेड वील टेक इट टुमॉरो because today honorable CM has also kept some meetings, so back to back there are meetings, so the secretary was not available. I want the secretary to be there so that we give clear indications and directions. Second thing, what it is in view of the new variant, so I am planning now to see that all the patients that are admitted in the hospitals in patients, so that at least we are able to do some sort of a testing for them. So I need to discuss all these things, what the guidelines are come from Government of India. So those guidelines I want them to present it in detail so that we see every medical officer, every PHC, every CHC is well equipped like how we